Hello everyone, I am R.Malathy from the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to see Introduction to Regression Analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical method to use examine the relationship between two or more variables. It helps in understanding how the values of dependent variable changes when one or more independent variables are varied. What is regression? Before enter into the application part, we should know what is regression, predictive modeling, statistical analysis, versatile application. Regression is used for predicting numerical outcomes based on input data. And statistical analysis, it's method to study the strength of the relationship between variables. Versatile application, regression model are utilized in various fields like finance, healthcare and science. Likewise, types of regression model is linear regression, logistic regression and ride regression. In linear regression, it assumes a linear relationship between the dependent and independent variable. Logistic regression, it's used when the dependent variable is categorical. Ride regression, it is used to prevent overfitting the linear regression curve. Simple linear regression concept involves one independent variable to predict the values of dependent variable. In equation y equal to a plus bx, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. Assumption linear independent, homogeneity and normality. Multiple linear regression advantages is can analyze the effect of multiple predictor on the outcome. Formula is y equal to b naught b1x plus b2x etc. bn xn, where xi represent the independent variables. In challenges requires attention to multi-conditional and model complexity. Polynomial regression, second degree polynomial and second degree and third degree, includes a quadratic term in equation fitting a curve to the data. Third degree useful for non-linear relationship where a straight line inadequate. Likewise, when we are going for a two-dimensional variable, if you are having the data set based on x and the data set based on the y, if you are plotting, that means we may get upper parabola, lower parabola, left parabola, right parabola. So these are all the curve we may get. We may get any curve based on the data sets of two x and y random variable. This is called second degree. In third degree, we may plot the cuboid, cylinder. We may plot the cone. We may construct any building based on the shapes. If you are constructing building, means that is purely based on the shapes. For the based on the shapes, we should know the what is third degree. So when we are going for a CAD-CAM, we should know what is second degree, what is third degree, what is regression line. So that only we are studying now here is regression line. Example of example of regression line. Finance forecast stock price using a historical data. So if we want to forecasting the profit or loss of the data, loss of the stock market, we can analyze past 1 week or past 1 month or past 1 year. Based on the collection of data, we can predict the future of for 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. By using many terms and conditions, we can predict the future. In this series, we can use the Fibonacci series also to predict the future of the stock market. In healthcare, we can assess the patient's history of diseases. Based on the history of his health condition, we can predict the future health condition of his nature. So in marketing field also, estimating the sales based on the marketing campaigning spend. Conclusion is decision making Regression aids informed decision making by providing data driven insights. Continuous learning, understanding the numerous of regression model is crucial for proficiency. Real world impact, practical application across industries showcase in its significance. Thank you.